After a 51-year-long career and being touted as the biggest superstar in the country, you'd almost imagine that there is nothing left for someone like Amitabh Bachchan to do. But there again, we are wrong, because this is a first and Amitabh Bachchan has gone ahead and achieved it with his film Gulabo Sitabo. Amitabh Bachchan has become the first big superstar to have his film released directly on an OTT platform. Mr. Bachchan has been interacting with a lot of media houses and has been speaking about his experience working on this film, how many hours it would take him every day to get into prosthetics, and how special it feels to see his film released in this manner. Well, he also went ahead and spoke about working with a young talented actor, Ayushmann Khurrana, who also incidentally plays the parallel lead in this film, and he went on to reveal that he learned a lot from the young actor. Here's the story.
There is no doubt that Amitabh Bachchan is a legendary actor who has gone from being a reigning superstar to playing character roles and now playing lead roles in films that are written especially for him. He has also been open to experimentation and dealing with new subjects and working with young directors who make films that are different from mainstream Bollywood cinema. In Gulabo Sitabo, which released recently on an OTT platform, Amit ji played an old man Mirza who has a large nose, a long beard and a pronounced hunch. Speaking to a publication about preparing for the role, Mr. Bachchan shared that it took almost 4 to 5 hours every day for the role that required prosthetics and extensive hair and makeup preparation. Given that it was summer, this process became even harder, but as someone who has set high benchmarks for professionalism, Amit ji surrendered completely to the vision of the director and producer. Big B, who is also known to be a gracious co-star, has heaped praise on his co-star Ayushmann Khurrana for his splendid performance and shared that it was a pleasure and a learning experience working with the talented star. Mr. Bachchan said, Ayushmann is a most promised actor of immense standing and caliber. I am honored to have had an opportunity to work with him and learn. I hope that he felt the same. Ayushmann has on his part shared several posts on social media talking about just how unforgettable an experience it was to work with Mr. Bachchan. And we hope that both these actors are seen again on screen very soon. Sujit Da, we hope you're listening.